बना के प्यार खिलाते हैं। देखो कैसे अलग अलग पिंक डिशेस बना रही है। मैं हर दिन दुआ करता हूँ कि ऐसे किस्मत किसी की भी ना हो।
You, Me and Cooking episode 2.3. So today we are going to make dragon fruit, mulberry, beetroot, pomegranate smoothie. It's going to be extra nutritious and pink too. Yeah, I have never cooked these dishes, but that's never stopped me before. So why would it stop me now? In case you're new here, my name is Czzlina. Recipe Lina. This is one of the quickest one, but still you must have this recipe in your arsenal. So let's use this as measurement because I'm fed up of washing pots. So we are adding half cup of mulberries, and here we are going to add pomegranate and beetroot syrup that we made to soak our pink eggs. Let's add all of it. कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. And that's exactly how you don't waste a single drop of food. And let's add the other half of dragon fruit that we left years ago. At least I feel like it. And let's add one whole banana. And let me just keep this much for garnishing purposes. I'm not going to get another banana just for garnishing. Then I have to eat the rest of it. And I'm going to add 1 cup of low fat milk. Say if you are extra health conscious, then you can simply add oats milk or almond milk. See, I would recommend to add almond milk because oats milk tastes like cardboard. So I'm going to add half tablespoon of sugar free in it. If you guys prefer natural flavor, then you can simply skip the step. And I'm going to blend it very carefully. Remember the Republic Day series? Yeah, I'm going to remember that forever. Well, that's it, and we are absolutely done. Now let's see how does it taste. That's my unique way to taste the smoothie, and it tastes delicious because of that one banana we added in it, and definitely because of the real milk. Ooh, looks so delicious. So let's take our plate right away. Don't worry, I'm not going to pour directly in it. I'm not that dumb. See, I have to follow the theme of this white plate, so that's why I'm finding my way around it. And there you go. We have successfully finished the dragon fruit, pomegranate, beetroot, mulberry, banana smoothie bowl. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to You, Me, and Cooking. See you next time.